सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis sitting with us around the world at this moment in thousands of places doing Pratyaksha Paduka Puja and sitting and listening satsang. I welcome you all with my love and respects. We declare today as Paduka Puja Day in our mission. All over the world, every year today we will gather to offer Paduka Puja. Today, I bless all over the world, all the devotees and disciples who do Pada Puja every day in all their Padukas. Today Vibhuti and Kumkum will be materialized. You will see it happening in a very big way. Today onwards I request all the devotees not to use Vibhuti Kumkum for Puja, so that you will know when it materialized, it is materialized and teleported. Today onwards use only sandal for Paduka Puja. So, Vibhuti and Kumkum should not be used for doing Pada Puja, Paduka Puja. So naturally, whatever Vibhuti Kumkum appears in the Paduka, it is only materialized. Already, today morning we had Vibhuti and Akshata materializing from Nitya Devi's hand. Now, the Venkateshwara's sandal, Srivatsa sandal will come. Wipe and keep it clear. Wipe the hand and from Venkateshwara, the Srivatsa sandal and Tirupati Laddu, both will come. It's already on the way. Yesterday itself he has sent. It's happening. All the Akshata which disappeared, that is coming first. They are in the pipeline. So today, all the Padukas will have Vibhuti and Kumkum. Five cities are sitting with me in two-way connection, having Nayana Diksha: Los Angeles, San Jose, Taramangalam, Ohio, New Jersey. I welcome you all with my love and blessings. Taramangalam Bhaktargalukku Aasirvadam. All the devotees and disciples sitting with us at this moment, celebrating Paduka Puja Day, welcome you all. And today is Singapore Center's inauguration. Nityananda Dhyana Peetham inaugurates its next temple in Singapore today. It's a huge place is a mail from the Singapore Center. Dearest Swamiji, with your blessings, we start your main center in Singapore. This center is supported by 15 satsangis. Wow! All of whom are in debt to you for the beauty and love you have brought into our lives. Please bless the center to reach the self-sufficiency soon and blaze a path to take you to the world. My blessings not only to the center, to all the satsangis. I am with you all. Here is the list of satsangis. All right, before that you can finish your aarti. I'll accept your aarti and bless the center. My blessings to Singapore Center. You guys will be successful in spreading spiritual knowledge and bliss. My mission, not only in Singapore, to the whole world. My blessings to all of you. All the auspicious things, wealth, health, bliss, and enlightenment. All that will happen in your life, I am with you all. Lot of cities are coming on two-way connection. Now Seattle has come on Nayana Diksha, two-way connection. Toronto, Mettur, Mumbai, Burami, Oman, Klang, Malaysia, Taramangalam, Guadeloupe, all these centers are also online, having two-way connection. Now they are all coming one by one. Come on, today, as the Paduka Day, we should create some intense, really intense, not ordinary intense. Something should be done today to the world. To give a strong experience. Today, whole day, all the Padukas around the world, my Padukas, and the Padukas which you use to do Guru Puja, will not only radiate intense presence, it will radiate Vibhuti and Kumkum very clearly. You will all see too many places. Today the Vibhuti Kumkum will be happening. Mark, just to make you understand the presence of the Master. When Pandya has thrown his stick, beating me, I showed the whole world my physical presence by allowing the whole world to have that beating experience. This time, when this fool threw the shoe, I have decided to allow the whole world to experience my physical presence through this Vibhuti and Kumkum radiating from Padukas. Pandiyan Virambal aditha பொழுது பெரம்படியை உலகம் முழுவதும் உள்ள உயிர்கள் தாங்க வைத்து சாநித்தியம் உணர்த்தினோம் இந்த மூடனெறிந்த ஷூவினால். இப்பொழுதும் உலகம் முழுவதும் இந்த சாநித்தியத்தை உணர்த்துவதற்காக விபூதியும் குங்குமமும் பாதுகைகளிலிருந்து வெளிப்படும். பாண்டியன் பிறம்படிப்பட்ட அதே சரீரம்தான் இதையும் தாங்கியது என்பது உண்மையானால் உலகம் முழுவதும் இருக்கும் எல்லா பாதுகைகளிலிருந்தும் விபூதியும் குங்குமமும் வெளிப்படும். பாண்டியன் பிரம்படியை என்று தந்தோம், போனால் போகட்டும், போதும் இந்த முறை விபூதி குங்குமத்தோடு போகட்டும். Same way, I declare today all over the world we will give artificial limbs as a donation to poor people. Let us do service. The unconscious fools give what they have. Let us give what we have. Even if you squeeze the honeycomb, only honey will come out. So we will give what we have. Vibhuti and Kumkum through all the padakas and the artificial limbs to at least 1,000 people. From today we will start registering. Give a press statement. Whoever enrolls, we will start giving. Let's enter into today's subject, satsang subject. Hundred and 52nd Sutra of Patanjali's Yoga Sutras and 3rd chapter, 46th verse, subject Ashtamaha Siddhis, 8 mighty powers. Let me enter into Sutra. Tato animadi pradurbhavaha Kaya sampat tad dharma an abhigataha. Swami Vivekananda translates this sutra as, from that comes minuteness and rest of the powers, glorification of the body, and indestructibility of the bodily qualities. Swami Prabhavananda translates this, hence one gains the power of becoming as tiny as an atom, and all similar powers, also perfection of the body, which is no longer subject to the obstructions of the elements. Swami Sachidananda translates as, from that comes attainment of anima and other siddhis, bodily perfection, and non-obstruction of bodily functions by the influence of the elements. The 8 major siddhis alluded to here are anima, to become very small; mahima, to become very big; lahima, very light; karima, heavy; prapti, to reach anywhere; pragamya, to achieve all one's desire; ishatva, ability to create anything; vasitva, ability to command and control everything. Bhagavan Osho translates as, from this follows the attainment of anima, etc., perfection of the body, and removal of the elements' power to obstruct the body. Patanjali is continuing from last sutra. He says all the samyama he described in the last sutra. I described the basic 5 samyamas to all of you. Through that 5 samyama, of course, I have not described all the samyamas because it is literally impossible for you guys to do. But I will take as a course and record it and keep it so that the knowledge is not destroyed. Through these samyamas, Patanjali says all the 8 mighty powers are expressed in your system. I will describe one by one. Anima means becoming small, like an atom, you can just disappear. Mahima, becoming huge, like a mountain. Like a Meru, Kailash. Lahima, very light. That is what is happening in the levitation. You all experience Lahima Siddhi when you levitate. You become very light, so that because of that the body rises into the air. Garima, heavy. Actually, there are some people who can experience the heavy, the body will not move, just like a rock. That is also one more Siddhi, Lahima. Sorry, Garima, that Siddhi is called. Prapti, to reach anywhere you want. Pragamya, to achieve all one's desire. You can fulfill any desire. Ishatva, leadership consciousness, being a leader of all the situations of your life. Vashitva, ability to command and control everything in your life. These are the great 8 siddhis. Only one thing I wanted to tell you all, it is possible to have all these 8 siddhis. It is not just stories. It's a solid experience. It is possible. This sutra is more for inspiring you to practice those samyamas, so that you will start expressing and radiating these extraordinary powers. You can become like an atom, or like a Kailash mountain, or light like a feather, air, or heavy like huge mountain. The moment I uttered the word Kailash, I remembered, all of you may be aware, I wanted to announce to all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis around the world, the court has relaxed all my bail conditions for next 3 months. We will be having Kailash trip. This year, first time, we will be going to Kailash as a big group. I am not going to describe what we are going to experience in Kailash. I can't also, I think. Even Himalayas is too much. Kailash. I was avoiding going to Kailash because I was feeling that body is not settled. If I go there, the ecstasy and the samadhi will be so high, I may not settle down in the body at all. Now, the body has really settled. I tell you all, now itself, when I come back from Kailash, my body will be directly materializing and teleporting, expressing things. You guys will see. Finally, what happened, you see, me being there silently and resting for 52 days or 53 days, whatever it is. Finally, what happened? I only expressed huge spiritual energy. Now, this Kailash trip is going to make multifold energy explosion and expression through me. It is going to be a really transforming trip. I welcome all of you to join. It is not even a once in a lifetime trip, once in many lifetimes. You get an opportunity to go to Kailash. Let's come back to the Siddhis. Lahima, becoming light. When all your engrams and heaviness is taken out of your system, naturally, you become light like a feather and start levitating. Garima, becoming heavy like a huge mountain. Prapti, to reach anywhere you want. The past, present, future. And Ishatva, leadership consciousness. All the time, all the situations of your life will be under your control. Pragamya, to fulfill, achieve all desires. Vashitva, ability to command and control everything. These 8 siddhis, I can say, are the expression of yogic powers. Actually, they express when you become enlightened also, automatically through your system. Through samyama also you can gain. Only thing I feel, you guys are so fortunate to listen about all these great powers, not just as words. You can see something in front of you. People only talk about these powers. But here, you can at least see some glimpse of these great expressions. This sutra is basically an inspiring sutra to practice samyamas and yogic lifestyle. I can say that not only these words, all the experiences you guys are seeing will inspire you to live yogic life. I bless you all to experience yogic body, Vedic mind, yen life. Maybe for a few minutes, you can all sit. Today all of you feel connected to the Padukas, Guru Padukas, which directly liberates, which is an independent intelligence. Energized by Guru, Master, but after energizing, it is an independent intelligence. So all of you feel connected to the Padukas and sit in samyama, samadhi with Padukas. Let all of you experience Kundalini awakening just by the grace of Guru Padukas. Let the Padukas radiate intense presence and awaken all your Kundalini. Come on, you will see now. Many people whose Kundalini is, who has not experienced Kundalini awakening, will experience now, because the Paduka is independent intelligence. You will all experience levitation and Kundalini awakening by an effect through the Padukas. Just sit and relax, remembering the Guru Padukas. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate and share the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.
Putting all my trust in you, 'cause you know it's best for me to lead a blissful life, a life with no more strife. Can't believe the things I do, just to spend a little time with you. Nothing will compare, I know you will take care.
You're always showing us compassion. Your love is endless like an ocean. Nityananda, Nityananda. My life's become a meditation. Ever since we had a deep connection. Nityananda, Nityananda. Oh, every time I see you, my consciousness expands. Oh, my heart begins to dance. Every time I think of you, I just start to melt.